Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. I mean, a very crazy day. Big gap down, big volume. So moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into Tuesday. So I want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. And the first key level of resistance that I'm very curious about is that trend line right there. And let me make this very clear. Me drawing that trend line is not some sort of special skill that I have. That's not some sort of secret discovery. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have drawn that same trend line. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So my point here is this: while nothing is guaranteed, it is more than valid, it's more than rational to think that if the price can work its way up to that trend line and get a break up through it, that very well could create some upside buying pressure. Now, I don't mean buying pressure in the sense, and therefore, send it up there to close the gap at 84, but at least enough from a trading standpoint to make it worth it. So definitely keep a very close eye on that trend line. And if that trend line can be broken, then the next key, very important level of resistance would be up there at the 50. Let me just double check that here. Yeah, the 56.50 mark. So actually, let me do this so we can differentiate these couple levels here. So first key level, like I said, that near-term trend line, and then after that, up there around 56.50. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all. Literally just a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today, and that was down there at the lows here of $47, and let's just call it 50 cents. So 47.50 will be that key level of support. Again, nothing fancy other than the fact that that's just where the bleeding finally stopped. But yeah, as of right now, this last 30 minutes, definitely getting some upside buying pressure here. Is it, true buying pressure? Is it going to lead to anything? Let's just first see if the price can even break above that trend line, and then you can take it from there. But overall, yeah, very interesting day. A lot of people are going to be watching it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.